Candidates who had appeared in the now cancelled recruitment examination of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited (MSPDCL) and Manipur State Power Company Limited (MSPCL) 2019 have urged relevant authority to take back its decision in the interest of candidates. Speaking to media in this regard, President of All Manipur MSPDCL and MSPCL results awaiting candidate 2019, Yumkhaiba Manoj, the recruitment examination for MSPDCL and MSPCL was held in 2019 and candidates have been demanding for declaration of results from a long time. However, on September 2, an order was issued informing that the recruitment is cancelled and fresh recruitment will be conducted through the Staff Selection Commission (SSC). He maintained that many of the candidates are now older and will struggle to compete with fresh candidates just out of school and college. This sudden cancellation has not only wasted their time and effort, but also caused immense trauma. Candidates stressed that the abrupt order would demoralize job seekers in Manipur and urged to revoke the cancellation and instead declare the recruitment result at the earliest.
Positive reason without any information department information had a period of Matagam Pakono, a mind or other at the 2019 secretary I took any, and Matamatic Langa has about the getting and the moment on the spike. Positova, Namjala Tambiraga, the National and Shelton and her city. She have a Samanare. When the population he Taruchi, Namjala Tamire, Mujamaka, notice Waga, no exam logo, Amchupali, when notice I know one notice for a logo in Heidi. I will notice it. Now, a candidate in light of the Aya video. The SSC from logo in head. So he talking among the exam taki by Quena, Aran Hanta, the exam, announcing what Mataukaran can be given exam community. Is who, while living out in the Kandavi.